was shopping at Target. I was just walking by and I went down the nail aisle looking for a nice little cute pastel color nail polish, and then I came across this cuticle oil, and it looks just like the one my nail lady uses on me when I go get my nails done. But I'm always very like skeptical about purchasing it at the nail salon, and they always tell me, do you want to take one home today? Because I tell her how much I love my cuticles look after they apply that nice little cuticle oil, and I never purchased it from there. So today I was at Target. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. So I got this one. It was like $10 and it smells so good. It smells like live roses, like it's flowers, like I'm in a boutique. Like, it smells so good. I feel like I'm in a like botanical floral shop because that's how good it smells. And so I went ahead and purchased this one, and obviously the scent is rose. There is a blue one, but the blue one also says the same scent. So I just got this one and it works really well, honestly. I can't stop applying it. I'm like addicted to this, but I do suffer from dry hands just because I'm constantly washing my hands. I'm washing dishes, cleaning the house and whatnot. So I tend to lotion my hands and moisturize them a lot, but my cuticles seem not to get enough with my lotions. So I decided to give this cuticle oil a try. So if you suffer from dry cuticles or just dry hands, try this oil and it's gonna work amazing. I've been applying it all morning since I got it. So I went to Target because I wanted to look for some new coasters. So I got these coasters at the beginning of the year, and my countertops are white and I wanted something to stand out. So I purchased these black ones that really caught my eye, which I regret purchasing. Don't buy these because these are not the best quality. They are not coaster friendly, and that is because technically you tend to put your water cup or ice cup on here, and of course it's going to get wet. Well, this is not waterproof. Obviously it started peeling and started getting super ugly, so I needed to replace these. I did find some that were like a natural stone, but they were kind of cracked, some were missing, and I didn't find what I needed. So I went next door. There is a Homegoods, and then I found these, which I love. They are kind of heavy and it comes in a pack of 4. So I just got a pack and I think these are perfect. They match my kitchen perfectly fine, and every single one of them come like in a different color. Just because it's a natural cut stone, you're not gonna get them perfectly the same, but I love them all. They are perfect and they're gonna work great with the rest of my kitchen decor. I needed a new set of glasses, and so I currently had some gray plastic ones that I kind of wanted to get rid of and move into something more clear, something where you can see your beverage with eyes, just something that's going to look more refreshing and more inviting. So I found these at the store. They actually came in a different color, but then they didn't have a lot of other colors. It was like only 2 or 3. They didn't have a whole set, and I honestly like to have a lot of cups. So I went online and I found that they come in this color, and this is like a gray, I guess, green color. Everybody sees a different color at the house. My husband says they're black. I say they're green. The description says they're green. My daughter says they're gray, but anyways, and these are it, and it's in the color green. I bought 10 of these tall and then 10 of the short ones. They are shatterproof because they are plastic. So these are dishwasher safe, so you can throw them in the dishwasher if you don't wash your hands or wash your dishes by hand. So I thought these were great. Honestly, it makes your drink look so much inviting and much better, and it just look better than what I currently or recently had. So I went ahead and put them all in the dishwasher, washed them up, and now they're ready to use, and I love them. They look super cute. I feel like they kind of look like the candle base that they have, but it's not candle holders, I promise. These are drinking glasses. So this is what I got for my kitchen. Moving over to Amazon, this is something that I've been repurchasing over and over just because I like them so much. I use these for my matcha, for my iced coffees, but these are from Amazon. They do come with a glass straw, and then it comes with a wooden lid, so you can take your matcha or coffee on the go and you won't worry about any type of spills. So I purchased these from there, and they are great, but because the straw is glass and this is a very thin product, they tend to shatter when you're not careful with them. So sometimes I'm either missing the lid, shattering the straws, or I end up shattering the glass itself. So this is something I've been repurchasing over and over just because I love the style and I think the size is perfect. I'm not exactly sure how many ounces it holds, but it's enough for my matcha and iced coffees. And so I went ahead and placed another order of these, and they just recently came in, and I am happy and excited to start using these once again. Another kitchen favorite from Amazon that I recently purchased over again is going to be this plastic cutting board. Now, I necessarily don't use this as a cutting board, but I like to keep them over in my kitchen counters just to limit the mess on my counters. I like to have these set over my coffee area, just because when I do make my coffee and I grind my coffee beans, it tends to make a mess, and these are super easy to just remove the counters, wipe it down, and then put it back, and then it's just keeping my counters cleaner longer. I don't have to constantly be wiping down, especially my coffee area. But I also do keep one here in the kitchen right next to the sink, and I use this whenever I'm cooking. I don't cut on here because I don't like using plastic cutting boards. It's just not healthy and it's not good for you. But I use this as a basically like a setting area where I can set all my stuff, and then literally when I'm done, I pick it up and then wipe it clean versus having to wipe down my entire counters. So these are great, and the reason I repurchased them because I accidentally placed my hot teapot, and it is plastic. So as you know, hot and plastic don't blend together, so it kind of got damaged. So I think my son has been using it as a cutting board because you can see the slices and the stripes here, but I've said over and over, do not use this as a cutting board. Another kitchen product from Amazon is going to be my frother. I use this for my matcha. Sometimes I do use it whenever I'm doing like a nice cold foam coffee. So I use this, and this is one of my favorite ones. For some reason, the other one ended up in the sink. It was full of water and it got wet, and this is battery operated, so it got damaged. So I went ahead and ordered another one. Same brand, same company, which is Amazon. And I had the other one for almost 2 years. It lasted forever until it was thrown in the sink. So I went ahead and got a different one. So here it is. And what I like is that it comes with a holder, so this stays nicely put right next to my coffee machine. Another Amazon favorite for kitchen essentials is going to be my matcha set. I recently did a review on this on a separate video, and I can't tell you how much I love my matcha set. I just decided to nicely put it back in the box so I can unbox it and show it to you just how it comes on the set. But here it is. Oh my God, that was a close one. It could have shattered if it wasn't for this. Oh my gosh, okay. So let me just hold on to it. But it comes with the bowl, it comes with the whisk, it comes with everything you need to make your own matcha. And this is a little wooden spoon to scoop up your matcha. And then it comes with this little cute ceramic holder for your whisk. So I'm gonna keep this and unbox it and have it set next to my coffee station. And I'm just gonna have it there, but this is what the box looks like. I'm going to go ahead and link everything in the description box. But I recently started making my own matcha because I started drinking matcha and I got into matcha and I love it. It's just so expensive to purchase it from Starbucks or other tea houses for literally almost $10. So I learned how to make my own and I am loving it. So I decided to get my own kit from Amazon, and I think it's the perfect one. It's like everything you need to make your own matcha. Another product from Amazon, moving on to just basic essentials, it's going to be my glasses. I feel like I'm always constantly purchasing glasses. These are for, I think they're called like blue screen or something like that, but it's supposed to protect your eyes when you're on your phone or on the computer, especially when I'm editing my videos. But because they're so flimsy and like so inexpensive, I tend to crack them, sit on them, and they just get kind of tossed around and then they get scratched up. So these are so inexpensive. This is probably like my 5th pair that I've purchased, but here is another pair. It comes in a black and then this nice tortoise color, which is like a nice little brown. And these are perfect. I think they're a little bit larger than the previous ones that I had, but I love them. I think they're super cute and it does what it's supposed to. Okay, another recent purchase from Amazon is going to be my light. This is my light that I carry with me in my purse all times. This is perfect for when you're vlogging, when you're taking selfies, and it comes in different shades of color. You can do light white, you can do bright white, warm white, or you can do combo, and then you can also pick here if you want it dimmed super high, super low, and it is battery operated, it is rechargeable, and I must say, compared to any other product that I've used before, this battery lasts me for days no matter how often I use it throughout the day. And even best, back here it's going to show you when it runs low on battery. That way you kind of have an idea when it's time to charge it. It does come with a charger. It is USB and it's rechargeable, but the battery will last you forever. So I'm going to go ahead and link it in case you guys need a light for your selfies, for your vlogs, or for your videos. But this is the one I use. Okay, another Amazon purchase is going to be these floating clear shelves. I recently purchased these for my daughter's restroom. She needed a little bit more of organization shelves. So to keep her restroom looking aesthetically nice, I went ahead and ordered these here. And then I ordered them again for my son. And then I ordered again for myself because I liked them so much. But this is what they look like. It comes with everything you need. It's going to come with the little bolt with the screws, everything you're going to need to mount these on your wall. But these are a perfect size. I'm not exactly sure on the description size, but I'll have them linked for you guys in the description box. But they're so easy to set up and install. I promise you, like I did it myself. And like as soon as we received them, I went up there and installed them and it was like easy breezy. So this is what they look like and they're perfect. These are like the viral TikTok floating shelves everybody has, and they look amazing. Keeps everything organized and looks aesthetically pleasing and organized. Another great purchase from Amazon. This is perfect for the summer. I purchased these hair clips. I absolutely love these. I saw them on TikTok, but if you know, you know, TikTok takes forever for shipping. So I went on Amazon, looked them up, and they were literally almost like half the price. So I went ahead and purchased these and this one here. So when it comes in a set of 4, I'm going to say that the white one is like my most favorite one just because I love the white and yellow. But I think they're all beautiful. They are so cute. And these are hair clips that are going to hold your hair. My hair is so long and it holds it up perfectly. And I only need one. I don't even need 2. And I think these are perfect for the summer. This is like a must-have. So if you guys are interested, if you guys, it's still early, it's still hot out there. Here in Texas, we're like 100 degrees with so much humidity. And I'm sure it's like that in many other states and places. So if that's you, go ahead and purchase these. It's not too late. Or if you're going on a nice little summer vacation. I just got back from mine and I took my clips. Everybody loved them. I got so many compliments. Another hair product must-have from Amazon is going to be this hair wax. This is the one I use for any type of hairstyles that has to do with like a slick bun or a slick ponytail. This is the one I've been using. This is my second order on this hair wax. And no matter what, this is holding my baby hairs down at all times, 24/7. My thermal cup is also from Amazon. This is something I carry with me everywhere, especially when I travel. I like to keep my lemon chill water nice and cold, and this keeps it cold for hours. Honestly, I've never owned a Stanley. My daughter has a Stanley, and I think honestly, if you compare both brands, this one works perfectly. I mean, maybe better or even the same, but this is from Amazon. It comes in tons of different colors. I just love to be, you know, neutral colors. That's just me, very basic girl. But I'll link it for you guys in case you guys can do this as a gift to teachers back to school. You guys can do this for your teachers or for a gift as a birthday, Mother's Day, whatever the occasion it is. I think it's like the perfect gift. I honestly wouldn't mind receiving this as a gift. Or if you're just looking for a new hydro flask to keep your beverage nice and cold, this is the one you need. Forgot to mention the rest of the items I purchased at HomeGoods the day I went to go purchase the coasters, but I needed some cutting boards and my preferred to go is going to be wood cutting boards. So I picked this set. It came like this together. I needed something small, so like whenever I'm cutting up fruit or just something small. The other ones that I own are a little bit more larger, so I think these were perfect in size. So I picked up this set, and then they still have a lot of their summer stuff out, even though it's like flooded with Halloween and fall stuff. But I was able to pick these up. These are perfect for my backyard. In case you guys don't know, the black and white stripe decor is what I currently have in my backyard. So these were perfect. They were actually on sale, so I picked these up. I was looking for other ones, but a lot of their fall stuff is almost gone. It is just, I guess, moving now into Halloween. So I got these, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna be styling them outside on my sectionals, or maybe like my table patio set that I have. Well, that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a like, and remember, a lot of these items mentioned in today's video are going to be linked in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah.